Hi guys, let me show you how to fix this write error on Steam. For the first step, you want to open your Steam launcher, and from here go into the top left corner, click into Steam, and then go into Settings. Once the Settings menu get open, you want to go first into Downloads, and you want to click into Clear Download Cache. Depending on how large your download cache is, it's going to take a little bit longer or a little bit less. Now, when that is done, you want to click into Steam Library Folders. And from this menu, you want to click into the three dots on the right side and click into Repair Folder. This is going to take a little bit longer of time depending on the games that you have, and when this is done, you are going to need to restart your Steam. One last thing that I can recommend for you guys is to right-click where you see the Steam icon and click into Properties. Once you are here, you want to click into the Compatibility tab above, and you want to check the mark where you see Run this program as administrator. Click into Apply and then into OK. Like this way, Steam is always going to run as administrator, giving it more preference as other software in your system. That is pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if this fixes your problem. If not, I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you found the video useful, don't forget to drop a like, and a new subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.